going to unbox a PetSafe ScoopFree automatic self-cleaning cat litter box. This is a smart litter box, and here I have one. I want to be able to go on vacation and not have to pay to have someone take care of the cat, and the litter box always gets too full. Comes with so many high reviews, like so highly recommended. We have the best kitty litter box that you can ever buy. This is a high-tech box because you need the internet to use it. They say this is recommended for cats that are 15 pounds or lighter. It's like silicone beads. And we have the privacy cover. Oh, I want you to get For one cat, you can use this for 20 or 30 days, so a month. Of course, I'm not going to leave my cat alone that long, but it's nice to know that it can handle a lot. Make sure that this part is underneath and these are down. And then it just snaps in like that, and that's how it moves. The bottom is a replaceable tray, and it's only held in by these magnets. So when you're carrying it, you have to make sure that you hold that part. Now we're going to add the kitty litter. There's no scent. It looks like it would be scented. It's completely scentless. And then you've got to make it even. This is a little bit more complicated than I thought. The instructions aren't super detailed, so I had to kind of figure it out. That thing. And gets all the litter. Pushes it out. Or is that just filling it? Whoa. This is what the app looks like on an iPhone.
April 6th, 2021.
There's also a smart feeder.
Wait, like so it can feed your cat automatically?
I guess.
That's cool.
Okay, now I have to do the internet password. No. Okay, it looks all ready to go.